Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Facebook ads billing issue. Let's walk through the process together so you can get your ads running again quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. This is the central hub where you manage your Facebook assets, including ads and billing. Make sure you're signed in to the correct profile and working inside the right business. If you have access to multiple businesses or ad accounts, double check you're in the one that's having the billing problem. From here, open Ads Manager. This is where your campaigns, budgets, and account settings live. If you manage more than one ad account, select the affected account so the billing tools load the correct details. Give the page a moment to fully load. Next, head to Billing and Payments. This area shows your recent charges, invoices, and any outstanding balances or declined payments. If you see alerts or error messages, note the dates and amounts. These clues help confirm whether the issue is a card detail mismatch, an expired method, or a temporary bank decline. Now click Payment Settings in the top right corner. This is where you manage your payment methods and the account's billing configuration. Look over the primary payment method and any backups. If the card on file is expired, close to expiring, or recently replaced, that can cause an immediate decline. Carefully review your card details. Ensure the cardholder name, expiration date, and billing address exactly match what your bank has on file, including the postal code. Even small differences can trigger a failure. Confirm the currency and country settings are correct for your business. If your bank has security measures, the card must allow online and, in some cases, international charges. If anything looks outdated or incorrect, re-enter the information or remove the old card and add it again. When you add a new method, save it and set it as the primary so future charges use the updated details. Once you've saved your changes, return to Billing and Payments to monitor the status. Facebook typically retries a declined charge automatically after you fix the payment method. Give it a few minutes, then refresh the page to see if the issue clears. If you still see a decline, verify with your bank that the card is open to online advertising charges and that there are no temporary holds. That's it. By going to Meta Business Suite, opening Ads Manager, checking Billing and Payments, reviewing payment settings, and re-entering or re-adding your card, you'll resolve most Facebook ads billing issues smoothly.